Welcome back. Today it's 18 December. It's a windy day and it's cold, but not very cold for this time of year. I don't see any equipment on the beach working, so I think they have stopped working in this period. On this beach, the bunker beach, they didn't do nothing from last time. And I hope they will do something with this beach, because this one is the only beach remained that will need to be done. This was another bunker. This one is repurposed. And this one is leveled. Yeah, this beach is done. If you remember last time, they have removed some sand from this area and moved it to the other beach. Very nice. Okay, let's go further. All right, we are back in Eforie Sud. Oh, big difference. They have spread the sand here, but there's a big mountain. I don't know what they are doing. Now this rail, it's useful can see it's destroyed. And now this one serves no more purpose because the beach level it's at the same level with the sidewalk. Very beautiful. Have a mark here on the dike, and this mark somehow coincides with the water level. Wow, I just got sprayed with some water from the waves. No big problem. Finally, I don't know what is happening here, why they have done this thing on the beach. You can see the level of the sand here and there. You can see the people, how small they are compared with the amount of sand that it's in that area. And this up here, it's Eforie Sud. You remember this building? I have shown you the damage. Now I'm on a new dike. This is brand new. That there is Eforie Nord. The sea have a beautiful color today. See the big difference between the levels. This sand from here and in this area is going down. here the old hotels. This one is being rebuilt. And if the city will clean these banks, you can see them. Maybe if the city will repair this building from here. I think this was a toilet from an old era. This area will be amazing. There is a restaurant, I think. The same. You can see this bank from here. It's full of vegetation, grown. We'll see. A little bit of TLC, a little bit of work, and this area will be amazing. Here also cut the old rusty rail, repair this area, even the sand here, and this will be perfect. So this is all. They remove all the equipment from here. If you remember in the last video, they have prepared the equipment. The pipes were there. I think this is all from Eforie Sud for this year. Next they will start the project down Costinesti and the other summer resorts. This is Costinesti, and the beaches from here will be repaired next year, but first they need to do some dikes, because without dikes the beaches will be swept away by the sea. I don't know exactly what beaches they will done here, but we will wait and see. This is a very old shipwreck. Here you can see some bunkers. One here, one here, one there. They are in water. A couple of years ago they were on beaches, but now they are in water. You can see here on this area the banks have been reinforced with rocks, because the sea, the waves will start to take out from the banks, and there was a big danger for the buildings. And the tourist beaches from here are in this area. There is an old dike here, you can see the black one. So this is all for this year. Thank you for watching these videos and see you in the next one.